Hello guys, it's Steve Vixen Tech. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can create this trending effect. Been trending for quite some time. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Could see this effect? Yes, this particular creator or designer used this effect for his design. Let me show you another one. Look at this other one. This same designer used it to create his design. So guys, that is it. I also used it to create this particular design. So in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to create this particular effect. Meanwhile, a member of our community reached out to me and he told me, sir, please can you do a video on how to create this effect? So I'm doing this video because he requested for it. You can join our WhatsApp community. I'm going to drop the link in the description below. Do well to join us so that you can stay updated and connected. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So guys, this is the default of my Pixellab. Click on your A icon, delete the new text. Now let's change the dimension of our workspace. Click on this icon, go to image size, change it to 1280 by 720. Okay, beautiful. Now click on the last icon, click on transparent. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is to import the background I will be using. That is this stuff. Yes, now I would like you to turn it. So click on this. Yes, we've turned it so that it can match with our workspace. Go to relative size, stretch it, make sure it covers your workspace. Beautiful. Now let's go to erase color. Please follow me carefully so that you can understand what I'm showing you guys. If you don't follow me carefully, you might not understand what I'm teaching you. So increase the tolerance to 54. Click on your good icon. Now for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be using the color you saw on my thumbnail to create this effect. So go to color, enable it. You can use any color of your choice to create this effect as long as the color is in harmony with your background. So I'm going to be using the background color you saw on my thumbnail to create this effect. So I'm going to be using this color. You can use any color of your choice, but this is the color I'm going to be using for the tutorial. You can use blue, you can use red, you can use any color of your choice. It all depends on what you are working on. So click on the good icon, go ahead and save it. So save as image, change it to ultra so as to retain the quality of the image. So save to gallery. Beautiful, we have saved it. Now let's resize our workspace. So click on this icon, go to image size, change it to 1280, click on OK. Beautiful. Then this other one, we are going to delete it, so just delete it. Click on the last icon. Let's give our background a color. So this time around we are going to make this color deep a little. Yes, then click on your good icon and go to your center icon. We'll be using this tool. It's called Bezier tool. Yes, this is the tool that we'll be using to create that irregular shape you saw on my thumbnail. Yes, so enable it. Now this tool happens to be one of the most difficult tools on Pixellab. Many designers don't use it because they feel that it is difficult to use, but it's not as difficult as you think. In this tutorial I'm going to show you some of the functions of this tool. However, if you want me to make a tutorial video on how to use the Bezier tool, let me know in the comment section. Now for this particular function, it enables you to move the shape. Hope you can see I can move it. Yes. Now for this other function, it helps you to adjust the anchor point. Yes, this is the anchor point. It helps you to adjust it. So you see I've adjusted this one too. That is what it does. Now for this other one, let me show you this other one. It helps you to add more anchor points. Don't worry, you're going to see the function of that particular tool. Now for this, it helps you to scale it. Yes, this particular function helps you to scale it. Just cancel it. Now this particular one helps you to resize it. Yes, it helps you to resize it. So let's cancel the function. So guys, let's work on the shape now. So I would like you to click on this center function. Yes, just highlight it. Come over to this point, increase it this way, then click on this other point, bring it down. Yes, so adjust this again. Okay, this is good. Now click on this other one, move it to the end. Yes, now it is time for us to make use of this one at this point. Yes, and this is the way it works. The moment you highlight it, you touch your screen for it to give you more anchor points. Yes, now let's connect all the anchor points together, and for you to connect all the anchor points together, you would have to click on this particular one. So just click on it. Beautiful. You can see that we've connected all the points together. I'm taking my time to explain this so that you won't get confused. The goal of this tutorial is to teach you how you can create this trending effect yourself. That is why I'm taking it bit by bit. Now we need to adjust all the anchor points, and for us to achieve that, click on this center one, come to this point, move it. Yes, move it. Then this other one, adjust it. Don't worry, it's not difficult, it's easy. Just follow my instruction, adjust it. Okay, now for this other side, adjust it. Just move it down a little. Then this other one, bring it down. This other one, just bring it down. Now let's move our shape so that we can adjust all the points properly. So go back to this other one. Okay, bring it down. Okay, so bring it down. Sorry about that. Okay, this is okay. Then this other one, bring it down. And this other one, try to adjust it in such a way that the shape won't look bad. You understand? Then bring this one down. Hope you can see what I'm doing. It's not difficult. I know you are saying in your heart that this thing seems difficult. It's not difficult. So bring this. So highlight this. Now let's adjust this point a little. Let's adjust it a little. Okay, this is okay. Then go to this other one, then place it well. Please take your time and form your own shape. I don't want to take much of your time. Okay, that's it. Then come down. Yes, reduce the stroke width. Then come to this part, this fill color. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Fill color, yes. We want to give the shape we formed a color, and this is the color we are going to give to it. This color, I picked it, this dark green. Don't worry, you're not going to see it because the background and the color are the same. So click on your good icon. Beautiful. Hope you can see it. It has highlighted the shape. Now go to texture. Let's texture that stuff we saved earlier into the shape. Beautiful. Yeah, hope you can see it. This is how it looks like. Like I said previously, you can use any color of your choice to form it, as long as it is in harmony with what you want to design. Now go to inner shadow, highlight it, enable the inner shadow, increase the blur radius, just increase it to 25. Then we are going to give it a lighter color. Yes, hope you can see the color. Let's make it light, like very light. We want it to be light so that it can be visible. Let's see. I think this is okay. Now go to offset Y. Hope you can see the effect. Hope you can see it. Hope you can see it. If you increase it, it's going to be too much, so you just have to reduce it. Leave it at 20. Guys, this is the way you can form this trending effect on Pixellab. Even though those people that started it used Photoshop, you can also use Pixellab to achieve this. That's not all. Highlight it, click on copy, let's duplicate it, then go to crop. You can turn it to the other side. You see it, you can place it here. Okay, let's take it to the back, bring this one down. Hope you can see it. Beautiful. This is what I'm talking about. Let's highlight this one. Okay, this is the first one. Let's highlight the one behind it. Yes, you can increase it as well. Then this other one, bring it up. You see it. Just make sure it covers your workspace. Make sure it covers your workspace, including this one. Make sure it covers your workspace. This is how you can form this shape using Pixellab. You can also do it this way. Bring this one, rotate it, then place it here. You see it? Then go to opacity. If you don't want it to be obvious, go to opacity and reduce the opacity. You see it? You see it? So guys, this is how you can create this effect. If you know you found this video helpful, do well to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you can always be notified whenever I drop any video on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.